Right now, in 2026, there are personal AI robots already sitting on desks, rolling across living room floors and folding laundry in real homes around the world. These aren't prototypes locked in a lab, they're shipping, they're functional, and some of them are genuinely strange. Unitree G1 Humanoid, 4 feet tall, 23 joints, $16,000 start. First up, the Unitree G1, and yes, it walks, it runs, and it actually exists. Unitree shipped this humanoid at a starting price under $16,000, which sounds wild until you realize it stands roughly 4 feet tall and weighs about 85 pounds. It packs 23 degrees of freedom across its joints, meaning it can squat, balance on one leg, and recover from a kick to the chest without falling over. Watch one in motion and you'll see it do cartwheels, pour drinks, and handle objects with surprising patience. The base model is aimed at developers and researchers, but Unitree has been openly hinting at consumer-facing versions. For now, it's the closest thing to a real-life humanoid you can buy without taking out a second mortgage. 1X Neo Beta Soft-body, Home Helper, Norway made. Coming in at number 2, the 1X Neo Beta, a humanoid robot designed from the ground up for the home. Forget the cold metal exoskeletons. Neo wears a soft knitted suit over a quiet, tendon-driven body that's intentionally squishy because the engineers at 1X figured out something important. If a robot is going to live in your kitchen, it can't feel like a forklift. Neo stands about 5'6", weighs around 66 pounds, and is being trialed in real households doing things like tidying counters, carrying laundry baskets, and answering the door. Sam Altman's OpenAI is one of its biggest backers, and early units are already in pilot homes in the United States. It's not the strongest robot on this list, but it might be the one most likely to actually live with you. Figure 02, BMW Factory, Onboard AI, human-shaped. In third place, we have the Figure 02, and this one is already clocking in at work. Figure's second-generation humanoid has been deployed inside a BMW manufacturing plant in South Carolina, where it picks up sheet metal parts and slots them into fixtures alongside human workers. Standing about 5'6" and weighing around 140 pounds, Figure 02 runs an onboard vision language model so it can hear a spoken instruction, look at the scene, and figure out what to do without a cloud round trip. The hands have 16 degrees of freedom each, which is enough dexterity to grip a coffee cup or a wrench. A home version is reportedly in development, but the factory version is the one that proves the platform actually works in the real world. Tesla Optimus Gen 2, 2X hands, 73 pounds, EGG grip. Sliding in at number 4, Tesla's Optimus Gen 2, the humanoid that Elon Musk keeps showing off at every shareholder meeting. The current generation has trimmed about 22 pounds off the previous design, dropping it to roughly 143 pounds, with brand new hands sporting 11 degrees of freedom and tactile sensing on every fingertip. In the demo reels, you'll see Optimus pick up an egg without crushing it, fold a t-shirt, and walk 30% faster than the original prototype. Tesla is producing units in limited quantities for internal factory work right now, with Musk publicly targeting external sales. Whether the rollout actually hits its promised price point is another question entirely, but the robot itself is real, it's walking, and it's wearing the Tesla badge. Reachy 2 by Pollen Robotics, open source, 2 arms, research ready. Next up, in 5th place, the Reachy 2, an open source humanoid that just had a bit of a glow up after Pollen Robotics joined the Hugging Face family. Reachy 2 isn't trying to walk around your house. Instead, it's a wheeled torso with 2 7-degree of freedom arms and an expressive head that nods, tilts, and tracks faces. Researchers and tinkerers love it because every line of code is open and every joint is documented, which means hobbyists are already programming Reachy to play chess, hand out candy at front doors, and prep simple lunches. With a starting price north of $70,000, it's not exactly impulse buy territory. But for anyone serious about building their own AI assistant from the ground up, Reachy 2 is a real, buyable, hackable platform. Amazon Astro Home Sentry, Periscope Cam, Alexa inside. In 6th place, Amazon's Astro, the rolling household robot that quietly never went away. Astro is a knee-high, 3-wheeled bot with a tablet face, a periscoping camera that pops up over 5 feet, and full Alexa integration baked into every interaction. It patrols your house when you're not home, recognizes faces it's been introduced to, and can deliver a beer from the fridge to the couch if you load one in its little cargo bay. Amazon currently sells Astro by invitation in the United States, with a sticker price around $1,600. It's one of the only consumer home robots in this category that has a real warranty, real customer service, and a real shipping label attached to it. Quietly weird, quietly useful. Louie Robot Phone-Powered Desk Pet. Expressive eyes. Coming in at number 7, the Louie Desktop Robot, a tiny rolling companion that uses your smartphone as its brain. Drop your phone into Louie's cradle and suddenly your screen becomes a face with expressive eyes, while the wheeled base scoots around your desk responding to voice commands and physical pokes. Because it leans on your phone's camera, microphone, and processor, Louie can run modern AI models without needing expensive onboard chips, which is how the team kept it under $300. It chats, it dances, it gets startled when you tap its head, and it pairs with ChatGPT for conversations that don't repeat the same 5 jokes. It is exactly as ridiculous as it sounds, and it ships today. EMO Pet by Living AI Desk Pet. Edge Fall Detect. 1,000 plus moves. 8th on our list, the EMO AI Pet, the little desktop companion that just keeps getting smarter. EMO stands about 4 inches tall, rolls around your desk on tracked feet, and uses an array of edge sensors so it never tumbles off the side of your monitor stand. The 2026 firmware update added expanded conversational AI, smart home integration, and over 1,000 programmed movements ranging from beat-match dancing to grumpy little tantrums when you ignore him too long. He'll take photos when asked, tell you the weather, and recognize your face when you sit down at your desk in the morning. EMO is still shipping worldwide directly from Living AI, and at around $300 he punches well above his weight class. Luna Petbot, gesture commands, laser chase. Cute overload. 9th on our list, the Luna Petbot, and yes, this is the one that actually behaves like a real pet. Luna was built by Key Tech to do something most robots refuse to do, which is to act adorable. It stretches when it wakes up, comes running when you open the door, plays fetch with a little ball, and chases laser pointers across your living room floor for as long as you'll keep clicking the button. With dual depth cameras, voice recognition, and gesture controls, Luna reads body language well enough to back away when it senses you're upset and roll closer when you're happy. It charges on its own dock and naps when you nap. At around $450, it's currently one of the most lovable robots money can buy. Moxy, by Embodied on Kids Companion, Emotional AI, Daily Missions. Finally, at number 10, we have Moxy, the AI robot built specifically for kids, and arguably one of the most genuinely useful personal robots on this list. Moxy is shaped like a friendly cartoon character with big animated eyes, a soft body, and a face that conveys emotion in real time. Embodied designed it to support social, emotional, and cognitive development in children between ages 5 and 10, running daily missions that include reading aloud, drawing exercises, breathing games, and conversations about feelings. Parents control everything through a companion app, and the kid never sees a screen, which is the whole point. After a turbulent stretch in 2024, Moxy was rescued by new ownership and continues to ship with active subscription support. It's one of the few personal robots on the market with measurable outcomes attached to its name. Subscribe for more. That's our look at 10 personal AI robots that actually exist in 2026. No concepts, no vaporware, just real machines you can buy or pre-order today. Which one would you want rolling around your house? Drop your pick in the comments, hit that like button if this helped you separate the real from the fake, and subscribe so you don't miss the next deep dive into the tech that's actually shipping right now. See you in the next one.